Mahapiriva Sharanam. Today I am chanting a few verses from Shivananda Lahari composed by Jagadguru Adi Shankara Bhagavatpada. Kalabhyam Chudalankrita Shashikalabhyam Nijatapapalabhyam Bhakteshu Prakatitapalabhyam Bhavatu me Shivabhyamastokatribhuvana Shivabhyam Hridi Punarbhavabhyam Anandaspuradhanubhavabhyam Natiriyam Naratvam Devatvam Nagavana Mrugatvam Ashakata Pashutvam Kitatvam Bhavatu Vihagattvadi Jananam Sada Tvatpadabja Smarana Paramanandalahari Viharasaktam Chedriddayamiha Kim te navapusha Sarupyam tava pujane Shiva Mahadeveti Sankirtane Samipyam Shiva Bhakti Duryajanata Sangatya Sambhashane Salokyam cha characharatmakatanudyane Bhavani pate Sayujyam mama siddhamatra bhavati Swamin kritartosmyaham Tvatpadambujamarchayami Paramam tvam chintayamyanvaham Tvamisham sharanam vrajami Vachasa tvameva yache vibho Vikshame disha chakshushim Sakarunam divyaischchiram prartitam Shambho lokaguro Madhya manasah Saukyopadesham kuru Nityaya trigunatmane Purajite katyayani shreyase Satyayadi kutumbine Munimana pratyaksha chinmurtaye Maya srishta jagatrayaya Sakalam ayanta sancharine Sayantandava sambramaya Jatine Seyam natishambhave Vachasa charitam vadami shambho Rahamudyoga vidasute prasaktah Manasa kritimishwarasya seve Shirasa chaiva sada shivam namami Jadata pashuta kalankita Kutila charatvam chanasti Mayi deva asti adhirajamoule Nasmi kim patram Om Namah Shivaya.